Ever felt like you're constantly pushing a boulder uphill when marketing your digital products? Well, let's face it, you're not alone. The struggle is real. Marketing digital products is like navigating a maze. There are countless routes to take, but finding the path that leads to success can be daunting. One of the most common hurdles is reaching the right audience. With the vast digital landscape, it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. And even when you find your target audience, the challenge doesn't stop there. Creating engaging content is another uphill battle. You need to craft a message that not only attracts attention, but also resonates with your audience. This is a delicate dance between information and entertainment. Then comes the ultimate challenge, converting interest into sales. It's one thing to grab attention, it's another to persuade people to open their wallets. If these challenges sound familiar, this video is for you. In this digital age, social media is a powerful tool for marketing. The reach is vast, the engagement is real, and the potential for growth is limitless. It's not just about posting pretty pictures or clever captions. It's about creating meaningful connections and fostering a sense of community around your digital product. As the acclaimed marketing expert Neil Patel once said, social media marketing is about identifying the essence of engagement. It's about understanding your audience, listening to their needs, and responding in a way that resonates with them. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter to LinkedIn, each platform offers unique opportunities to connect and communicate with your target audience. They're not just platforms, they're powerful marketing tools waiting to be utilized. Whether you're launching a new app, promoting an ebook, or selling online courses, social media can amplify your reach, boost your engagement, and ultimately drive your sales. So it's time to harness the power of social media platforms. Facebook, with its massive user base, is a platform you can't ignore. This social media behemoth has over 2.5 billion active users monthly. That's a third of the world's population logging in, scrolling, liking, and sharing. So how can you tap into this vast ocean of potential customers for your digital products? Firstly, you need to understand who your audience is. Facebook has an incredibly diverse user base, spanning different ages, interests, and geographical locations. Knowing your audience allows you to create content that resonates with them, sparking engagement and ultimately driving sales. Once you've identified your audience, it's time to get creative. Facebook's algorithm favors content that generates engagement, so your posts need to encourage likes, comments, and shares. This could be through thought-provoking questions, compelling visuals, or simply content that provides value to your audience. Facebook ads are another powerful tool at your disposal. With detailed targeting options, you can reach the exact demographic who would be interested in your digital product. As Sheryl Sandberg, Facebook's COO, once said, "Done right, Facebook ads are like word of mouth on steroids." Groups are another underutilized feature on Facebook. By creating a group around your product or industry, you can foster a community of like-minded individuals. This allows you to engage directly with your audience, answer their questions, and provide exclusive content. Let's not forget about Facebook's video capabilities. With the rise of Facebook Live and Watch, there's no better time to incorporate video into your marketing strategy. Remember, videos that tell a story or provide value are more likely to be shared, increasing your reach. Lastly, don't forget to analyze and adjust. Facebook Insights provides detailed analytics about your posts and audience. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve your results. Remember, engagement is key on Facebook. It's not just about broadcasting your message, but about starting a conversation. So get out there, start engaging, and watch your digital product sales soar. Instagram, a platform where visuals reign supreme. Welcome to the world of Instagram, a bustling, vibrant metropolis of images and videos where every post tells a story. In this digital age, Instagram has transformed into a powerful marketing tool, especially for digital products. It's not just about posting cute cat videos or your latest vacation pictures anymore. It's a stage where businesses, big and small, showcase their products in the most visually appealing way possible. So how do you make your digital product shine on Instagram? The answer is simple. Through compelling visuals and strategic use of Instagram's features. Start off by creating a visually appealing profile. Think of it as your digital storefront, your first impression. Your profile picture, bio, and the overall aesthetic of your feed should represent your brand's identity. Next, let's talk about Instagram posts. Your posts should not only be eye-catching, but also narrate a story about your product. Use high-quality images, engaging captions, and relevant hashtags to increase your post's visibility and engagement. Now, onto Instagram Stories, a feature that allows you to post content that vanishes after 24 hours. Use this feature to give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at your digital product, or to announce limited-time offers and discounts. The fleeting nature of stories creates a sense of urgency and makes your audience want to stay connected. Instagram also offers the IGTV feature, where you can post longer videos. Use IGTV to post detailed product tutorials or informative videos about your product. And let's not forget about Instagram ads. They are a powerful way to target a specific audience and drive traffic to your website. Remember, consistency is key on Instagram. Regular posting, engaging with your audience, and staying true to your brand style will help you build a loyal following. As Kevin Systrom, co-founder of Instagram, once said, "Every Instagram post should provide value to the people who see it. It should be interesting, entertaining, or inspiring." So the next time you post on Instagram, remember to let your visuals narrate your product's story. On Instagram, your visuals should do the talking. Twitter, the platform that thrives on conversation. Picture this, a bustling digital city square where thoughts and ideas ricochet like atoms in a frenzy. That's Twitter for you. This social media platform is an interactive space where your voice, or rather your tweets, can spark conversations, ignite debates, and best of all, market your digital products. Let's start with the basics. Short, crisp, engaging tweets are your best friends. But remember, the goal here isn't just to talk, it's to start conversations. Ask questions, seek opinions, and encourage your followers to engage with your content. Take inspiration from industry leaders like Elon Musk, who uses Twitter not just to share updates, but to converse with his followers. As digital marketing expert Neil Patel puts it, Twitter is a two-way communication tool. Don't just broadcast, engage. Now let's talk about hashtags. Hashtags are like the signpost of Twitter. They guide users to topics they're interested in. When marketing your digital products, use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. But don't just stop there. Participate in trending topics and hashtag challenges. Make your brand's voice heard amidst the chatter. Twitter chats are yet another powerful tool. These are scheduled live conversations centered around a specific topic. Hosting a Twitter chat not only positions you as a thought leader, but it also allows you to engage with your audience in real time. And of course, let's not forget about Twitter ads. With options like promoted tweets, trends, and accounts, Twitter ads can boost your visibility and reach. Also, remember to track your performance with Twitter analytics. As marketing guru Seth Godin once said, marketing without data is like driving with your eyes closed. So there you have it. Twitter isn't just a platform to share 280-character thoughts. It's a dynamic arena where you can engage, converse, and make your brand's voice resonate. Remember, on this platform, your tweets aren't just messages, they are conversation starters. On Twitter, join the conversation to market your product. LinkedIn, the network for professionals. When it comes to marketing digital products, LinkedIn often stands as a platform of immense potential. This is the place where business happens, where professionals meet, collaborate, and share insights. It's not just a social network, it's a hub of industry knowledge and expertise. Now, how do you leverage LinkedIn for marketing your digital products? The first strategy is to create a robust company profile. Your company profile is your calling card. It should reflect your brand's personality, share the story of your journey, and showcase your digital products. Next, make use of LinkedIn's publishing platform. This tool allows you to share articles and thought leadership content directly to your network. What better way to demonstrate your expertise and the value of your digital products than by educating your audience? But remember, on LinkedIn, it's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about engaging in meaningful conversations. Join groups relevant to your industry, participate in discussions, and provide insightful comments. This strategy can help position your brand as an authority in your field. Then there's LinkedIn's advertising platform. With options for sponsored content, text ads, and in-mail, you can target your marketing efforts to the specific demographics that are most likely to be interested in your digital products. Now let's turn to the words of the experts. Bill Gates once said, "The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow." And LinkedIn is a significant part of that town square. It's where professionals gather to share, learn, and network. And finally, a quote from Gary Vaynerchuk, a renowned digital marketer. LinkedIn is the ultimate job board. It's not just for job seekers and recruiters, but also for marketers and salespeople. In conclusion, marketing on LinkedIn requires a professional and strategic approach. Showcase your expertise, engage with your audience, and utilize the platform's tools to reach your target market. On LinkedIn, professionalism is key. YouTube, the home of video content, a platform where over 2 billion logged-in users visit each month. It's not just a site for watching funny cat videos or the latest music hits. It's a powerhouse for marketing digital products. What makes YouTube so unique? It's the second largest search engine after Google. People come to YouTube to find answers, to learn, and to be entertained. It's a platform where you can reach a global audience 24/7, and it's an ideal place to market your digital products. So, how do you leverage this video behemoth? The first step is to understand your audience. YouTube's analytics can provide insights into who's watching your videos, where they're coming from, and what they're interested in. This information is crucial in developing a targeted marketing strategy. When marketing on YouTube, content is king, but not just any content. It has to be engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience. Think tutorials, product demos, or customer testimonials. This type of content not only showcases your product, but also adds value to your viewers. The power of YouTube lies in its ability to create a community. Encourage interaction by asking for comments, likes, and shares. Respond to comments to build relationships with your viewers. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos show up in search results, increasing your visibility. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. They have a loyal following and can help boost your credibility and reach. And let's not forget about YouTube ads. They can be a cost-effective way to reach a larger audience. But remember, it's not just about selling, it's about providing value. As marketing guru Seth Godin once said, marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell. So tell your story on YouTube. Show your audience why your digital products are worth their time and money. On YouTube, it's all about creating engaging video content. Pinterest, the platform for inspiration. Enter the world of Pinterest, a digital inspiration board where ideas come to life. With over 300 million active users, Pinterest is a goldmine for digital marketers. It's a platform where users actively seek out ideas, making it a prime spot for marketing digital products. So, how do you tap into the potential of this vibrant platform? Let's dive in. First, it's all about understanding your target audience. Pinterest users are planners and dreamers looking for ideas and inspiration. So your digital product should be presented as a solution, a way to make their dreams come true or their plans come to fruition. Next, you'll want to create captivating visual content. Remember, Pinterest is a highly visual platform. Your pins should be more than just pretty pictures. They should tell a compelling story about your digital product. Use high-quality images, infographics, or even short videos to draw attention. Third, optimize your pins for search. Pinterest, much like Google, is a search engine. Users type in keywords to find what they're looking for. Therefore, your pins should be SEO-friendly. Include relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and hashtags to increase visibility. And finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, repin others' content, and create a community around your brand. As digital marketing expert Neil Patel once said, "The best marketing strategy ever? Care." Incorporate these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to harnessing the power of Pinterest for marketing your digital products. But remember, success on Pinterest, like any other platform, doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and desires. And remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle. There are many other social media platforms to consider in your digital marketing strategy. But for now, keep these Pinterest tips in mind. On Pinterest, inspire your audience. TikTok, where trends are born. It's the social media platform that's taken the world by storm, with its short, catchy videos capturing the attention and hearts of millions. With its massive user base and unique algorithm, TikTok has become a hotbed for viral content and a goldmine for marketers of digital products. TikTok is all about creativity, authenticity, and staying on top of trends. The key to success on this platform is understanding its culture and leveraging it to promote your product. Remember, folks, this isn't your typical social media platform. It's a dynamic, ever-changing stage where your digital product can shine if presented the right way. One strategy to consider is leveraging user-generated content. TikTok users love to participate in trends and challenges. Why not create a challenge around your product? It's a fantastic way to generate buzz and engagement. As the digital marketing expert Gary Vaynerchuk said, "Content is king, but context is God." Put your product in the context of a fun, engaging challenge and watch the magic happen. Another strategy is to collaborate with influencers. TikTok influencers have a significant impact on their followers. They can help you reach a wider audience and increase your product's credibility. Remember, the key here is to find influencers who align with your brand and can present your product in a creative, engaging way. Don't forget about TikTok's paid advertising options. From branded takeovers to in-feed videos, there are numerous ways to get your product in front of your target audience. Think of these as another tool in your marketing toolbox, ready to be used when the time is right. Lastly, remember that consistency is key. Keep your content fresh and updated. Follow the trends, but don't be afraid to set them as well. As the marketing guru Seth Godin once said, "Marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell." On TikTok, your story could be the next big trend. So, there you have it. TikTok isn't just a platform for fun and entertainment. It's a powerful marketing tool that, when used correctly, can skyrocket your digital product to new heights. On TikTok, ride the trend wave. So there you have it. Strategies for marketing your digital products on different social media platforms. Let's take a moment to recap. We kicked things off with the struggle of marketing digital products, highlighting the challenges that can be faced and the importance of leveraging social media. The power of these platforms in the digital era cannot be overstated. They can connect you with the right audience, increase your brand's visibility, and most importantly, boost your sales. We then dove into Facebook, the social media giant, discussing how to create engaging posts, utilize Facebook groups, and take advantage of Facebook ads. Instagram, the visual platform, was our next stop. We explored the power of visually appealing content, Instagram stories, and influencers. Next, we moved on to Twitter, the conversation starter. We talked about the importance of engaging with your followers, joining relevant conversations, and using hashtags effectively. LinkedIn, the professional network, was up next. We discussed how to create a strong company page, publish insightful articles, and network with industry professionals. YouTube, the video powerhouse, was our next destination. We looked at how to create engaging videos, optimize your channel, and take advantage of YouTube SEO. Then, we hopped over to Pinterest, the inspiration board. We discussed how to create inspiring pins, use boards effectively, and tap into Pinterest's unique user base. Finally, we landed on TikTok, the trendsetter. We talked about understanding the platform's unique culture, creating fun and engaging content, and using hashtags to your advantage. Remember, each platform has its own strengths and unique characteristics. The key is to understand these differences and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. One size doesn't fit all, but with the right approach, you can maximize your digital product's visibility and reach your target audience effectively. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into creating engaging content for your digital products.